like this plant, and it's only £19. It's the same as that one. Because we can sit down later. I love this lamp. It's £16.50 and it's so gorgeous. This lamp's £16.50.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really good actually.
Right? There's these mirrors, which I really like them, and they're 40 quid. Well, I found, oh, I really like this. It's on sale for £40. And basically, I feel like if you put it on the floor and you've got a baby, you can put your baby on there. People can sit on it. It's just really cool. Oh, I really liked this. I've got that one, and I love this collection that Ikea do. I know, I was waiting for them. So we are in the rug section, and we found some really cool rugs that are super affordable, and I can't even believe half the prices of these things. Let me show you. I really like this one. I love these plant holders or plant stands. They're really nice. I don't think I'll use them for plants. I think I'd use them for like decor. What do you reckon? I think they're so nice.